Well, it's all about the system of treat black people like we are second class. Like we still are the slave and them still are the boss. No justice, not justice, not justice. No de yo, yeah. I know there is no justice for the poor. There is no justice for black people. Me say in that they get down is a fact, and me have to say so. There is no justice. I know there is no justice for the poor. There is no justice for black people. Me say in that they get down is a fact, and me have to say so. Everyday life in the ghetto is a life of oppression. Police harass we every day for no reason. Stop, search, plant, then possession. If we are protesting, say we cause an obstruction. Spray we with the gas and beat we with the baton. Fling we in the van and then they carry go on station. If we not survive, them say a hard condition. True, them say them above the law. When me say I know there is no justice for the poor. There is no justice for black people. Me say in a the ghetto is a fact, and me happy say so. There is no justice. I know there is no justice for the poor. There is no justice for black people. Me say in a the ghetto is a fact, and me happy say so. Me tell them Africa's the land where black man originate. That is where the Bible history take place. Babylon coming and a loot and rape. Put we on a ship and force we fi emigrate. Send we to West Indies and United States. Put we on a plantation fi go work and irrigate. Whip we cross we back if we try fi escape. Over 200 years me say them have fi captivate. Now them abolish slave, we choose the slave for out of date. Babylon